Welcome to another video walk around. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota Highlander. This sits 7 passengers and is driving on 18-inch wheels. We have our key here with our unlock and lock. This also has keyless entry. We have power window switches, lock and unlock. This SUV has beige interior and a moonroof up top. On the steering wheel, we have the audio controls, Toyota Safety Sense, and this SUV has 86,000 kilometers. Over here we have our navigation, Bluetooth, and the backup camera, climate controls, USB ports, and heated seats. In the back we have more beige leather. The rear passengers have their own climate control, and the rear seats fold down. This Highlander has a power liftgate, and third row seating that can be folded down to give you extra storage space. Taking a last look at this 2018 Toyota Highlander that has some great features, which include heated seats, backup camera, and a sunroof. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.